Welcome to my ITGS Screencast. This website was created for my client, who is assistant principal at my school. She was very concerned with the amount of stress that students undergo at school and wanted to make sure that students were taking charge of their own well-being and realizing the importance of well-being. This website is created to include information on well-being and also information on the facilities that the school provides for people who are feeling very stressed. Each page has unique content that was provided to me by my client. This is the home page, which is under Looking After You. On the home page, I created a slideshow with images as my client wanted a few inspirational quotes for the students at the school, and she wanted the home page to not contain a lot of information, but rather more be based on the aesthetic look. I have credited the images in the bottom left corner, even though this is not required from where I have got the images from. I created this slideshow through using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I have created a div ID, several div IDs that contain the slideshow and hold the image. I have used CSS to design these arrows. However, the moving of the images from one image to another is done through JavaScript. I have also used a div ID named dots container to create dots that correspond to every single image. I did this through HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The JavaScript allows me to transition from each dot to another. Another one of my complex techniques is my navigation bar. I have created a navigation bar that is easy to navigate with. Every time you hover over the certain elements, it turns a different color. I also have a drop-down menu, which when you hover over this, it turns a different color to the one above here, which I did through using hover and ULLI lists in CSS. This is another one of my pages, which includes images and also content that was given to me by my client. Every single page in the website is responsive, and as you can see, the drop-down menu also works here. I have embedded a YouTube video from YouTube, which I have done through using the embed function on the YouTube videos in YouTube. I have used media queries to create a responsive website so that it can be used on any device, which is another one of my client's requirements as specified in Criterion B. As you can see, as the website gets smaller, the image size gets smaller and also the font size as well as the movie, until it reaches the smallest size for which it can be seen. The font is much smaller, and as we make it bigger, it also becomes bigger, which I did through media queries through different sizes to ensure that this would be working. The next page is Needing Help page, which includes email hyperlinks that I have used that will create a blank email once clicked. Once I click it, a blank email is created. As we can see here, a blank email is created. This website contains all the contact information for students who are feeling stressed out by school. It includes counselors, chaplains, the school nurse, deans, and heads of faculty so that students can have all the information they need if they feel as though they need someone to contact. The next pages are the year level pages. Each page is unique to each year level. Each year level has given in content that they think would help them if they were in a stressed environment. For example, the Year 7s wanted funny videos that would cheer them up. This is done through the embedding of the YouTube videos once again. As I didn't mention before, I also created different sections for the music, for the sidebar, and for the main content, which I did through CSS and HTML. On the right sidebar, I have included music that is relaxing and for students to feel relaxed, which I have also done through the embedding through YouTube. The Year 8 page also includes funny videos and music, but different content, which the Year 8s wanted. The Year 9s also wanted BuzzFeed quizzes, which I also did through the href links. As you can see, every single page is unique, and I have used CSS to create a different color for every year level page, as my client wanted every page to be a different color for the year levels to easily distinguish between the different year levels. The Year 13 page also has different content. I have also included the slideshow that I included in my main page on the Year 13 page with a few inspirational quotes, as they wanted a few inspirational quotes. As you can see, it works perfectly on this page. I have made sure that the JavaScript is put at the bottom of the page to ensure that the page loads irrespective of the JavaScript. I have also not included JavaScript on every single page and have only included it on the pages that have the slideshow, so that, once again, the page will load irrespective of the JavaScript, as there can be issues that arise. This is my website. Thank you for watching my screencast.